Did you know that one of the most versatile and nutritious vegetables in your kitchen is also one of the easiest to grow? Meet zucchini, your next go-to ingredient for healthy meals, delicious snacks, and even sweet treats. Zucchini, a versatile and nutritious vegetable, holds a special place in kitchens around the world. Known scientifically as Cucurbita pepo, it belongs to the gourd family and is closely related to squash, pumpkins, and cucumbers. Native to Central and South America, zucchini was cultivated for thousands of years by indigenous peoples before spreading to Europe and, eventually, the rest of the world. Today, it is celebrated not only for its mild flavor and adaptability in culinary applications but also for its nutritional benefits, making it a staple in many diets. Zucchini thrives in warm climates and is relatively easy to grow, making it a popular choice for home gardeners. The plant produces elongated fruits that are typically green, although yellow and striped varieties are also common. Zucchini grows quickly, often reaching maturity within 60 days of planting, and can produce an abundant harvest. Gardeners appreciate its ability to grow in various soil types and its resilience to pests and diseases when properly cared for. Additionally, the plant's bright yellow flowers are edible and often considered a delicacy in many cuisines, adding to its versatility. Nutritionally, zucchini is a powerhouse of health benefits. It is low in calories and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for weight-conscious individuals or those following low-carb diets. Zucchini is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and manganese. Its high water content makes it hydrating and easy to digest, while its fiber supports gut health and regular digestion. The vegetable also contains antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which contribute to eye health and help combat oxidative stress in the body. Including zucchini in meals can be a simple yet effective way to enhance overall well-being. Culinary uses of zucchini are virtually limitless, making it a favorite ingredient among chefs and home cooks alike. Its mild flavor and tender texture allow it to blend seamlessly into a variety of dishes. Zucchini can be grilled, sautéed, roasted, or steamed as a side dish or incorporated into soups, stews, and casseroles. It can also be spiralized into zucchini noodles, providing a low-carb alternative to pasta. In baking, shredded zucchini adds moisture to cakes, muffins, and breads, while the blossoms can be stuffed and fried for a unique appetizer. Its adaptability and ease of preparation have made zucchini a staple in both traditional and modern cuisines. Despite its popularity, zucchini has not escaped culinary controversies and challenges. One of the common issues faced by growers is the phenomenon of oversized zucchinis, which tend to be less flavorful and have a tougher texture compared to smaller, tender ones. Gardeners are often advised to harvest zucchini while it is still young and tender to ensure optimal taste. Additionally, while zucchini is generally safe to consume, there have been rare cases of cucurbitacin poisoning, caused by a buildup of natural toxins in the fruit. These cases typically result from cross-pollination with wild squash and can lead to bitterness and gastrointestinal discomfort. Proper cultivation practices and vigilant harvesting can help avoid such issues. From its humble origins in the Americas to its global status as a culinary favorite, zucchini has proven itself to be a versatile and valuable vegetable. Its ease of cultivation, nutritional richness, and adaptability in the kitchen make it a standout choice for gardeners and cooks alike. As interest in healthy eating and sustainable gardening continues to grow, zucchini's popularity is only set to increase, solidifying its place as a beloved staple in kitchens worldwide. Whether enjoyed raw in a salad, cooked in a hearty dish, or baked into a sweet treat, zucchini offers endless possibilities for nourishment and enjoyment. From its rich history to its endless culinary possibilities, zucchini proves it's more than just a garden favorite, it's a health-packed superstar. Whether you're cooking, baking, or gardening, this humble vegetable is sure to inspire creativity and wellness in your life.